Hello and welcome to episode 2 of IT Specialist Simulator. This is part of a live stream. Head over to twitch.tv/Radio Kane Live and don't forget to follow us there and you'll be able to get notifications on when we are back live. So that's twitch.tv/Radio Kane Live. So let's get this started. We do have a few people in the background. We should have Kev if he's still there.
Hello, yes, hello.
So obviously this is being streamed over on twitch.tv. But obviously we thought, let's play a bit of IT Specialist. Obviously we're streaming a lot more now than YouTube videos. So let's continue on this. This is saying it's older version. Yes, load. So your first job in IT, this could be a great experience. Why not? Let's see. Knowing things where a company open map. So it's basically just do the tutorial again, really. So this tells us where everything is. Okay, find the locker on the map. So
5 minutes later.
E to open escape. Open the task. As you can see, you have several pieces of information such as pod description, device owner, IP address, location, remaining time to complete the task, as well as information about the reward and penalty. You can also get help if you're lost. Click the yellow light bulb in the upper corner for basic learn. Oh right, it actually wants us to do that. Okay, so it tells us what to do. Find the computer from the ticket on the map. When you hover over the device, you'll see the user's data. Additionally, the task title. Turn on the computer, go to personalization settings and set the wallpaper indicating the ticket. Once you've set the correct wallpaper, return to the task view. So we need to find this computer. Olivia O'Neill in the warehouse. So we want to come out of our computer and we want the warehouse and Olivia O'Neill. So M in the warehouse and we are looking for Olivia O'Neill. So as you walk in, it's right in front of you. Okay. So this will be hers. E. Turn the computer on. No connection to the domain server, it said then. Not good. But essentially, we need to go into the job panel. System. Personalization. And she wanted something orange. So we'll set it to orange. Something like that. Marker's done. There we go, we're done. So we're gonna exit that computer. Hey, you can actually do stuff like that. That's cool. Power shut down. Go to your computer and open the browser. Okay, we will do that. Uh, 192.168.451. Don't need to do that, it's there. Some devices have their own web interface. When you enter the IP address of the device on network, you'll see that a system device runs. Devices can connect to including office printers, network device servers, recorders, cameras, and more. Yeah, that's standard. Search forum help to find the default password for the router. If you already know it, type it in, which we don't. So we're going to go forum help. We're going to go tutorials. Is it in there? No. Network. Forum help. Search. Find the default password for the router. So I would say networks. Oh, admin. Okay. That's lovely security, that. Admin. Okay, it's not very secure, that. As you can see, there are several tabs here. The router in the company is a SD-WAN server. So it has two connections. One is a fixed line ISP connection and the other is an LTE module. The router switches from LTE in case of issues with the fixed line. Quite a lot of servers and home routers are doing that these days now. Currently, we are in the process of changing providers. The router is only working on LTE. In the coming days, this will change and a new provider will appear. You'll be informed about this by email.
A few minutes later.
Hi, I'm at home right now and I'm getting alerts. Some employees can't connect to the printer. I also checked the computers remotely. It's not a computer issue. You will need to look at the problem in the printer and fix it. Okay, enter. So I'm checking. So it wants what printer? Let's have a look. Task view. Oh, in the IC room. Okay. Do you have a printer in here? We do have a printer in here. So that's a network problem. Duh, just guess. We need. So what I'm going to do is go tablet. I reckon we should have them notes. Because we could do with having them access documents. Change password for that. What's that one? That's you. So what are we doing? We need to fix that device, don't we? So I'm looking at so many players can't connect to print. I've watched the computer. It's not a computer issue. You need to look at the problem and fix it. Change IPsec parameters. But the issue is we need to get into the printer itself. Problem. T. Then we go PDF reader. No, we don't. We go there, cloud, and we want passwords for organization. There we go. Office printers 4321. Okay, quite ironic that. Use printer network 4321. Log in. There we go. IPsec on. What else do we need to do? We're go back to E and then T. So back. So that's for the tablet. Proper operation. That's not what we're after. That's RCP. I think that's the actual access control panels. So, security protocol increases enable or disable activate security protocol. So, select the algorithm secure data, mode transport when encryptions are only called data or entire network packet. How encryption is negotiated. So, if we go into here, oh, saying marker's done. There we go. That's that problem fixed. Back to our computer. So if we go to the browser and you need that open, Reddit. I see this is dark, so we go. I reckon we need to go anything big. So that's that one. I think we have to click them all and then it tells us what's urgent, what's not. And then to ask you, yeah. Just got an email from headquarters that one of the computers is in DHCP pool. We need to change this to a static IP address. The latest offset must be between 100 and 149. Ideally, the IP address should be similar to the neighbouring computers. So, we want to go with select device, and this is the office room. Emma Johnson. Okay, so we need to go control panel, Netflix, network. Okay, so the issue is it's not actually connected to any connection. So what's our task? DHCP is disabled. So change network card, status, properties. Network client, driver, properties. Can you do anything like that? Oh, there you go. Is that what it's after? 192.168.10.122. 192.168 dot 10.122. 10 1 10 and then 122. Neighbouring computer. IP address set to 192.168.10.122. Okay, and then we want to know what the default gateway is. So we need to go off of that. T. So we are in the office room. Yes, that's fine. And then we want the default gateway, don't we? Default gateway. Devices must have the first 3 offsite spin. So the subnets. Oh yeah, performer pings in the terminal 192.168.45.1. Okay, so we need to go terminal. And we do ping. What is it, sorry? 192.168.45.1. 192.168.45.1. Enter. Host unreachable. To 168.10.x. Try that. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. Now we've got ping. Marker's done. Got there in the end. Right, so that's this computer can be turned off. Power up, shut down. Right, next problem. Be click on the computer on morning for a button on the monitor, right, I can check if it's not working. So we're looking for Office 104, which we are in, and it's that one. P. Oh look, the computer turns on. Who would have thought? That's a save, that's easy. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Yeah, exactly. Right, so next one is the office room. So we step away from that. And there is one over here. It is super dark, so display. Control panel. Power options. Let's see what they're saying to do. Screen brightness above 80. So display. What else is saying? Screen brightness above 80, which is what we've done. Oh, okay. Screen brightness above 80.
A few moments later.
Okay, so maybe they're setting here. Display. Ah, there you go. My computer do you know what would do? When do we have to do that? Okay, so it's not as urgent. That's fine. What we'll do then is we will step out and finish the day. Eat. There we go. That's that day finished. Ten tasks completed. Is this next day? Must be the next day. Oh, there's a network failure. So Pete. Let's check our emails. So main task, no network at all. I think that's a bit more urgent than anything else. So we want to look at downloads and fix the problem. 192.168.451. So browser 451. Ah, so it's not this one anyway. Let's have a look. restart the device. That's a good sign. Computer won't turn on, so let's go and have a look at that one. So that's in the office. Oh look, it turns on. Done. Incorrect IP at the ad. Set addressing suffix to 0. Okay, so let's go to that one. Disable that. Oh. HR. Network 4321. Yes, what do we need to do? We need to set addressing. So IPsec? No, back. Is that it? Addressing suffix set to 0. Oh, I see. Okay. Set that to 0. Addressing suffix set to 0. Prefix suffix. 0 on that as well. We need a little, so we are in HR room. Printers, 171 to 180.
Much later.
It's also got some update. Got some internet, so because it's got an update. Uh, 4321. Log in. We'll skip this bit for now. And we'll sort this computer out. Let this do a scan. Just make sure everything's all good. Tap it. Right. This printer now. restart the device. Let's go back to our office. And check out emails. So it says addressing suffix set to 0. So 192.168.10.0 in theory should be correct.
I'm just trying to think now, because wouldn't it be 0 instead of 10?
Okay, let's try it.
Dot something. Like
Apply.
192.168.0.4, for example. But what is it set on the router side though?
So on the router side, so it says there's two sets of subnets. There's a 10 and a 15. Under the first subnet is printers between 171 and 180. Okay, so with that in mind, that should be then 10, 172 for example. Oh, there we go. Okay, it worked. I'll see you do it. So
Put placeholder and then double check the documentation.
RCP isn't working properly again. Can you brighten it up? So this is we're in the HR room anyway. Even better. And it is what? Are we not in the HR room? No, yes we are.
12 seconds later.
Main screen application can scan the cards. You need to reset the device. So restart the device. Ah, right, okay. So it's got, there's a sequence you have to do. So P that, and then as soon as you see it, click on it. Did we do it? No. Not fast enough. It says manufacturer logo repair, then the system will begin to load. As soon as you see the white bar. Oh. As soon as you see the white bar. Okay. I was clicking at the wrong time. So logo will come up. Then as soon as you see the white bar. There we go. Brightness. Between 1680, 1690. Marker's done. And then restart. Looks like we've got a critical error. Okay, so we need to find which cabinet it is. So we need the other room. No, it's here. So a lot of the time it's just restart the device. A good old off and on. Has that resolved the issue? It has. Next problem is Office 104. And what's their problem? Their problem is my password is very strong and complex. When I mistype 5 times, I have to wait 5 seconds. Can you imagine that? 30 seconds. At least cut that time in half. So reduce the lockout time to 15 minutes. Yeah, but that would be a network wide problem, not local problem. So that's technically incorrect what we're doing now. If it was a corporate network. Reduce the lockout time for 15 minutes.
So that could be a registry. Have a registry or group policy.
Yeah, but I don't think you have that on here. System components? No. Storage? Reduce the lockout time. Maybe lock. Can you not log in as yourself? No. I was just seeing if you could log in as, you know, like a local account or something like that.
Just auto logs you into the first available person that was on that PC.
Yeah. System. Not recovery. Display. No.
A few moments later.
I would have said it's supposed to be something like that. Maybe this is it.
12 seconds later.
We need login details. So we're gonna go. Not that one. That one. Admin Excel QWERTY123 exclamation mark. Admin Excel QWERTY. Oh, let's try again. QWERTY 123 exclamation mark. Standard user. Admin Excel. Admin Excel. Yes.
3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Ah, net accounts. Okay. Let's do net accounts. Cool. Walks into the wall then. So we're gonna go terminal net accounts. There we go. So we do net accounts. So what do they want? They want 15 minutes. Accounts. Lock. Oh, slash. Lock out. Duration. 15. There we go. Done it in the end. Right, next one. Oh, this one over here. No, they've got their own little extra area. This person does. So next problem is set avatar, change browser color, enable page translation, enable grammar correction. So they want some dark. Oh. So change the avatar to a gamer. So he needs to get the computer turned on first. So let's do that. So we want to go personalization, account. Right, so what does it want to do? Browser color, we can sort that out, that's fine. So we go browser, settings, customize, they want a gamer. That's a gamer. They also want to change appearance, they want it to be grey. Oh, shade that leans towards the blue. Is that one? No. That one. That one. There we go. Enable page translation. There we go. Done. Another wallpaper change. To crane style one. Okay. This one down here. At least they're all more or less together. Save you having to travel a bit of a distance into different offices that they've got. So they want to go settings, personalization, and they want a crayon style. So that's that one. That's that done. And request to change wallpaper again. It's in wallpaper, and they want the crayon one. Okay. There we go. Bomb. Da da da. Done. Okay, so that's then done. Free gold to emails, just make sure this is good. I think that's all our problems sorted, so should be towards the end of the day now. Oh, it's not time to end the day yet. I asked you to reduce the rate time and you marked the task as done and what then? A cardboard IT guy, not a specialist. Okay, so if he's still moaning that it's not done, is that an actual thing on our tasks? No, it's not, so it's done them. Are you excited about mountain trip invitation? Delete. What's these emails? I appreciate your idea to trip. Delete. Is it end of the shift yet? Let's have a look.
No, it's 2 hours.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, we can end the shift.
Excellent. You did a good shift.
I did.
Congratulations.
I did 21 completed tasks.
Well done, you.
16 altogether. 16 on that round. And that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you to everyone that's been watching. And stay tuned for episode 3. See you next time.